This is definitely not where I parked my car. It's been a long time, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, Mix It returns. So this is a cocktail channel, so to introduce everyone, what I do on this channel is I do challenges, I do cocktails, and I do cocktail vlogs. So it's nice to be back behind the bar. It's been a very long time, and what we're going to do, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favourite brands I like to go to, so the Alchemist bar. But what they do is they sell cocktail recipes, so I'm going to take you through the Alchemist Cosmic Cocktails cocktail recipe book. So the first cocktail on there is a very popular Baby Guinness, but with a nice little twist, as this is the Big Baby Guinness, and I cannot wait to show you how to make this classic but a cocktail version of the classic shot, because there's a beautiful shot if you've never had it. Really simple to make, and the Big Baby Guinness is no different. So let's get straight into it. This is Big Baby Guinness, and if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this as we will continue on our cocktail journey. So the first thing you want to do is get 4 to 5 ice cubes and put into your tin shaker. So this is a 3 ingredient cocktails, because it's really simple to build, but it's more the ingredients that are in it. I'm happy to do a separate video on each year, so how to make the Guinness Reduction or cold brew coffee, and of course the Bailey's foam. If you do want me to show you how to make these ingredients, just let me know in the comments below, so I'll happily film a video just for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip it a little bit. So I'll always go towards 1 ounce. So this cuts for 25ml, but I'm going to do 30ml or 1 ounce of Guinness Reduction. Next is 30ml or 1 ounce of cold brew coffee. And last ingredient into the tin is 30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. Put your lid on, and now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Now get your strainer and strain into your glass. So now get your Bailey's foam and dispense into your glass now. Now do it slowly. And there we go, 1 Big Baby Guinness. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, 1 Big Baby Guinness. I cannot wait to try this to see how it tastes. Here we go. Cheers everyone. How does it taste? If you love the Baby Guinness shot, you'll love the Big Baby Guinness. This is a 10 out of 10, and we certainly got the weather for it, haven't we? Because what a beautiful week it's been. It's like the start of spring, the start of summer, and this is the perfect start to it, and the perfect start to my new series of the Alchemist Cosmic Cocktail series. So the next one will be the cheeky brimstone. But cheers everyone. It's like there's a party in my mouth and everyone's invited. It's nice and sweet, and if you like your coffee cocktails, you'll love this as well. So if you love your espresso martini, I'd recommend this as well. But this, ladies and gentlemen, has been the Big Baby Guinness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this, and I will see you guys for the next one, which will be the cheeky brimstone. Well, have a nice weekend everyone, and I will see you next time. Cheers. It's nice to be home. So the first thing what you want to do is put in 4 to 5 ice cubes straight into your cocktail shape. That's not a very good start, is it? Let's do that again. Take 2.